In many modern vehicles, the actual fuel pump is part of a larger pump module, which is located in the fuel tank along with attachments, such as a pressure regulator and the level sensor. Motorservice supplies spare pumps or entire kits for a range of vehicles, which means that if the fuel pump is faulty, there is no need to replace the entire pump module. Only the pump itself is replaced, as all the other attachments are normally still fine. Fuel pumps are generally located in a holder, which is often secured in the reservoir. To get the pump out of this holder more easily, Motorservice has developed this tool especially for fuel pumps with an angled outlet nozzle. But it can also be used for pumps with a straight connection. And it couldn't be simpler. Fit the tool, turn, and pull the fuel pump out of the holder. You can also use it for fitting the new pump in the holder. The tool pushes apart the catches that secure the fuel pump in the holder.